Hello guys, before we move to our fifth part of our authentication process, let's check out this one. Recently on Match, they updated Flet. So with the previous version which we were using, which is Flet version, we realized that in this, when we run our project, it works very well and there are no changes. So you can see you can move to the sign up and there's login as we created. But then in our new the first version which was updated recently, which is 0.21.1, when we run first run main, it doesn't appear, nothing comes, it just appears blank as it is. Well, I realized that it's because of the views we are using here. So then, let me show you the new way we can use this route so you don't experience this. So for example, let me close this and now let's change what we've done here. So now we will not be using views, but rather page.clear. So everything is going to be on the page. Okay, so now let's take this off and let's get started. So now we are going to write if page dot route, since the page also has a route, is equal to, since we are doing login. So then in this, we are now going to append the login which we have. So page dot add. Then we'll add our login, which is login. Let me see. Let me open this at this one side. We're going to copy the login and just pass in our page. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing for the sign up. So let's import this. Okay, so now let's now run our project to the new one, which this, let's check it again to verify is the new one. So now let's run it. So let's see what we missed. Okay, I just realized I made a mistake here. This side is supposed to be clean. So in this, let's run it again and see. So we realize our page came. So now since it's now our page, we are going to just make everything white. So page.bg color, then we are going to make this white. So now let's run it again and let's see. Okay, so we can see padding around the same thing as we did to the view. So let's just copy this and make our page dot padding 0. So we can see we've just gotten back to what we have previously and everything works well. So in this new way in creating routing from one page to another, it's best to do it this way. Maybe there might be other ways, but this is the way I came out of. So to navigate to another page, you're going to specify if your page.route is equal to this, then it should move to that route. So I think this method also helps. And one thing I realize is when everything is passed in this way and is returned as it was previously, if in case you set an async or any other function in one of these views, it runs everything together, which can slow down in case you're making API calls. So if you know any other better way to handle this, feel it'd be nice for you to share it. But then for now, to handle this, you can use eval so that it controls per the class which is supposed to run, so that it wouldn't also slow you up. And thank you for watching. So in our next tutorial, we're going to continue by creating our database.